We got this out of NASA Tech Briefs. An algorithm repairs corrupted digital images in one step. This technique uses artificial neural networks to simultaneously address multiple flaws and degradations in a single image. From phone camera snapshots to life-saving medical scans, digital images play an important role in the way humans communicate information. But digital images are subject to a range of imperfections such as blurriness, grainy noise, missing pixels, and color corruption. A new algorithm incorporates artificial neural networks to simultaneously apply a wide range of fixes to corrupted digital images. Because the algorithm can be trained to recognize what an ideal uncorrupted image should look like, it is able to address multiple flaws in a single image. The algorithm was tested by taking high-quality, uncorrupted images, purposely introducing severe degradation, and then using the algorithm to repair the damage. In many cases, the algorithm very nearly returned the images to their original state. Traditional tools address each problem with an image separately. Each of these uses intuitive assumptions of what a good image looks like, but these assumptions have to be hand-coded into the algorithm. Artificial neural networks have been applied to address problems one by one. The new algorithm goes a step further to address a wide variety of problems at the same time. Artificial neural networks are a type of artificial intelligence algorithm inspired by the structure of the human's brain. They can assemble patterns of behavior based on input data in a process that resembles the way a human brain learns new information. For example, human brains can learn a new language through repeated exposure to words and sentences in specific text. Cool.